Okay, I'm at Walgreens, and I found a few deals you can do this week without your out-of-pocket getting completely out of control. These deals are good from Sunday, May 31st through Saturday, June 6th, and we're not ringing everything up together. We're doing separate transactions so we can earn register rewards and roll them into the next deal. Because listen, once that register reward prints, don't put it in your purse and forget about it. Keep it in your hand. We're using it right away. Before you go shopping, open your Walgreens app and clip your digital coupons. And when you get in the store, scan the products because prices can be a little different depending on your location. All right, let's start with the easiest deal. For transaction number 1, grab 2 Colgate Optic White toothpastes. They're on sale for $6 each, so 2 of them will total $12. Clip the $6 off 2 Colgate digital coupon in the Walgreens app. That brings your total down to $6. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, and you should get a $5 register reward back. So after the reward, you're basically paying $1 for both toothpastes or 50 cents each. Now keep that $5 register reward out because we're rolling it into the next transaction. For transaction number 2, grab 2 Pantene hair care products. Look for the qualifying bottles priced around $5.49 each. 2 bottles will total $10.98. Clip the $3 off 2 Pantene coupon in the Walgreens app. That brings your total down to $7.98. Now use the $5 register reward from your Colgate toothpaste deal. You'll pay $2.98 out of pocket, and you're going to get a $2 register reward back. That means both Pantene products work out to 98 cents after the reward. Not each. 98 cents for both. Okay, now we're rolling that $2 register reward into transaction number 3. For this deal, grab 2 Colgate 360 toothbrushes. They're $6 each, so 2 toothbrushes will total $12. Clip the $6 off 2 Colgate toothbrush coupon in the Walgreens app. That brings your total down to $6. Use the $2 register reward from your Pantene deal. You'll pay $4 out of pocket, and you should get a $5 register reward back. So technically, this is a $1 moneymaker. Now, quick tip, because Walgreens will humble you at the register if you're not paying attention. Don't use the $5 register reward from the toothpaste deal to pay for another Colgate deal if it's part of the same promotion. Use the Pantene reward instead. That's why I'm going back and forth between different deals. We want the new register reward to print. All right, for transaction number 4, grab 2 Method or Mrs. Meyer's hand soaps. Look for the qualifying soaps priced at $4 each. 2 soaps will total $8. Use the $5 register reward from your toothbrush deal. You'll pay $3 out of pocket, and you should get a $2 register reward back. After that reward, you're paying $1 for both soaps, or 50 cents each. Now you can stop right there. If you only want the easy deals, you're done. You'll have 8 items, you'll pay $15.98 out of pocket before tax, and you'll still have a $2 register reward left for another Walgreens trip. After counting that last reward, your effective cost is $13.98 for all 8 items. But if you need household stuff, I found a few more deals you can roll into. For transaction number 5, grab 2 qualifying Angel Soft, Brawny, Dixie, or Quilted Northern products. They're priced at $6.99 each. 2 products will total $13.98. Check your Walgreens app for a $1.50 off 2 coupon. If you have it, clip it. Then use the $2 register reward from your hand soap transaction. You'll pay $10.48 out of pocket and get a $3 register reward back. If that coupon isn't showing in your account, your out-of-pocket will be a little higher, so just check before you get in line. Now we can roll that $3 reward into the Persil deal. For transaction number 6, grab 1 Persil laundry detergent, the 84-ounce bottle. It's on sale for $13.99. Use the $3 register reward from your paper product deal. You'll pay $10.99 out of pocket, and you should get another $3 register reward back. Also, check your Ibotta app before you shop. There may be a $2 Persil rebate available, but don't assume it's there. Rebates can disappear, and everybody's account doesn't always look the same. Now for the last transaction, Grab 4 qualifying Tide, Downy, or Bounce products. They're priced at $4.99 each. 4 products will total $19.96. If you're grabbing a qualifying Tide Pods product, check your Walgreens app for a $1 digital coupon. Then use the $3 register reward from your Persil deal. With that $1 coupon, you'll pay $15.96 out of pocket, and you should get a $5 register reward back. So if you do all 7 transactions, you're getting 15 items. Your total out-of-pocket cost will be $53.41 before tax. You'll still have a $5 register reward left, and if that $2 Persil Ibotta rebate is available in your account, submit for that too. Now, one more thing before you start checking out. Walgreens register rewards act like manufacturer coupons, so you need enough items in your transaction for everything to attach. If all of your products already have coupons attached and you're trying to use another register reward, grab a cheap filler item. Don't stand at the register arguing with the machine. Just grab a little candy or something inexpensive and keep it moving. And always check that your register reward actually printed before you walk away from the register. Save this video so you can follow the transactions while you're shopping. Subscribe to Blowin Coupons for more weekly couponing breakdowns. And comment Walgreens if you want me to keep doing these rolling register reward scenarios.